So you can see in the jungle, like a giraffe, right? Hunted by wolves. Since giraffes are big, right? They cannot be killed instantly. So they suffer like painful, slow death, right, through wounds, and that's really sad, right? If you see on humans' perspective, right? And you can see like babies, right, that inherent or kids inherent disease, right, or a gene from their parents that cannot survive in the few years, right? Like maybe kids like have leukemia or cancer. So there's actually a savagery in kind of a survival of the fetus, right? That the weak kind of does not survive in the long run. And so, you know, the moral issue, right, in survival of the fetus only kind of emerges to when we treat each other as like a one species, right? We already share that like slavery occur because we treat other human being as lesser than ourselves, right? So we can have a complete moral arguments in terms of Darwinian perspective when we treat all our human as one, right? So there must be a sense of oneness to achieve these moral stories, right? And one more thing is like once we understand that Earth is the same as 1 billion years ago, right? So we have limited resources. So and the population of human being is increasing and increasing. So there's a moral story when we try to treat like our food as like treating our animals as morally as possible, right? Because if we don't treat them, we in the next few years, right, we will be out of food, right? Because survival, right, or Darwinian is actually a short-term goal, right? Bacteria or viruses evolve depend on the current conditions, right? And human beings select our mates based on our own preference, right? That's a really short-term goal. And to survive, right, in a short-term goal, we try to poison our river just to collect more fish, right? We poison our ocean. We cut all the trees, right, to survive. And once we done that, right, the future generation will suffer, right? So we must understand that we must also look at the long term, right, than just a short term of evolution. Yeah, that's pretty much the idea of this moral issues. You want to add something?
Oh, yeah, no. I feel like in my head, where morals come from is a solved problem. It's
Yeah,
like
yeah,
solved. It's I just think it's obvious that it's just a form of cooperation.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
So if you can rephrase the question of morality as a question of cooperation, and it applies the exact same.
yeah,
So like, and this solves a lot of like outstanding questions that people tend to have. Like, why is it moral to, why is it immoral to kill your dog but not a pig or whatever?
yeah, yeah,
Well, if you phrase it in the terms of cooperation, it makes perfect sense. Like if I kill your dog, you're gonna be really mad at me,
yeah, yeah.
But if I kill your pig, you might have hired me to do that.